Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you an Office suite that you can use that's open source and free to download and to use. It installs on your computer so you don't have to pay a subscription to use it, and it's compatible with Microsoft products. So if you have Word documents, you can open those in this software, and you can actually create documents and save them as Word files using this software. So the software you'll see here on the website or on my screen, the website, it's LibreOffice, and the address is libreoffice.org. And as I said, it's free and open source, so it's supported by donations. But you can download this software, install it on your computer, and you can see right here it's your private free office suite. LibreOffice is a private, free, and open source office suite. So it's compatible with Microsoft Office 365 files. So .docs, .docx. So those are these are Microsoft Word document file extensions, and these are Excel extensions. But then it also has PowerPoint, software that's compatible with PowerPoint. I'll just open the Start Center for once you download and install it. You'll have, and actually I should probably point out, let me go over here to the download screen, and you'll see here that it runs on Linux, it runs on Mac OS, and both versions of the chip, the CPU versions, whether it's the Apple Silicon or the Intel, and then it runs on Windows platforms. So pretty much any operating system that you might need to use it for, you can install this on it. And they're always coming out with new updates and new features. What I do is I have a tendency to, well, it just depends. On some of my computers I have the latest release, but for the ones that I really need to be stable, I'll always run the latest stable. So I won't always have the very latest. I'll usually have whatever is the stable release. So I'm not sure what version my Windows machine has on it. I'm currently using a Linux machine right now. I'm using a Linux Mint machine. So but I just wanted to show you that this is a software suite that you could use if you're looking for a free alternative to Microsoft Office. This might be the one that it's actively maintained. You may have heard of some other ones like OpenOffice. OpenOffice is what LibreOffice was taken from, just to use everyday terms. Basically, when OpenOffice was out, because it's free and open source, anybody's able to take the source code or the programming, and they can make a copy of it and then build their own on top of it. And that's basically what LibreOffice has done. They took the OpenOffice software, they made a copy, and then they just have built on top of it their own operating system, or their own software suite. So LibreOffice is actively maintained. It gets regular updates, and so you can. Now, that's not to say that it won't have some bugs from time to time, but if you're looking for something that is free and doesn't require you to pay a subscription and doesn't require you to be doing everything through the internet at all times, then LibreOffice might be one of the things that you consider. So I thought I'd share that with you. Let me briefly open up the Start Center and just kind of show you what programs are in there. It basically comes with these 6 programs, and I pretty much use Writer and Calc. This is the Microsoft Word equivalent, and this is the Excel, the spreadsheet program. But here is Impress, which is presentation software, kind of like the PowerPoint. And then down here you have Base Database, which is similar to the Access database. So you can create databases with this software. And then you've got Math Formula and drawing. So you've got, this is probably good for making flowcharts and things like that. And this you could actually write, you can write out formulas with Math Formula. Again, I don't use these two very often because, number one, I'm not making a lot of flowcharts because I basically work by myself. I don't work on a team where we have to have flowcharts communicating with each other. And then Math Formula, I don't really have a strong need for writing scientific formulas out. But if you do, this might be something that solves a problem that you're having, or maybe allows you to create documents that you can't create in another way. So that's LibreOffice. It's just kind of an introduction to it. It's just to let you know what free alternatives there are for Microsoft Office, and I wanted to show it to you. I'll probably have some more videos on how to do certain things with it, mainly Word and or Writer, which is Microsoft Word, and then Calc, the spreadsheet program. Those will probably be the ones that I do videos on, and you'll find them probably under the Tech Tips playlist. If there's enough interest, and if I see that people are interested in those two programs, I may create playlists specifically for those. But as of right now, I'll just put them under the Tech Tips section. But that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. Just letting you know that this is a free alternative to Microsoft Office. And I hope that helps. And thanks for watching.